In today's video, we'll be going over another month of Scentbox. In this box right here, I already know what scent I have chosen, but I'm very excited. I've already received another scent from this brand before, and I haven't actually heard of the one scent that I'm getting today until recently, just while I was doing a little bit more of some research in order to expand my scent wardrobe. And I stumbled upon this one and decided to give it a try. So let's go ahead and take a review and look at it. I'm sure you guys already know what it is based on the title, because normally I include the scent in the title, so it doesn't even matter. You guys already know that this is Creed Silver Mountain Water. So let's go ahead and check this out. And we have a fiery red Scentbox case. That is amazing. Check that out, guys. Woo-wee! I am talking. That is gorgeous. Inside the box right there. Whew. Alright, guys. Now let's take it out. See exactly what it smells like. Like I said before, it is Creed Silver Mountain Water, and it just says Silver Mountain on the bottom, but I believe it is called Silver Mountain Water. I'm going to go ahead and get a small spray without actually, oh my goodness, yeah, I'm going to actually, yeah, that's what I meant. I'm going to get a small sniff of it before I actually give it a spray test and review, but overall right now, fantastic. Let me go ahead and grab a shirt for you all, and I'm gonna go ahead and deck it out, give it a spritz, and give you an overall review of what this smells like. Let's check it out. Alright guys, instead of a t-shirt, I actually went and got this Crooks and Castles hoodie that I got from a recent ThreadBeast unboxing. If you guys haven't heard of ThreadBeast, it's a streetwear clothing subscription box that you can get. There's 3 different tiers that you can purchase, but I've actually covered them a lot in past videos. So I will leave a link down in the description below to a ThreadBeast playlist if you guys want to check them out, or you can search around and you'll find them. You'll stumble upon them in my channel as well if you guys just look around a little bit, because I got plenty of them. But let's go ahead and spray some of this Creed Silver Mountain Water on this Crooks and Castle hoodie and see exactly what it smells like, guys. I want to give you guys my full scent review. Let's go ahead and check it out. After spraying, I'm gonna let it go ahead and sit there for a second, rub it in a little bit, and so far it's starting to reach me, and it smells very clean. I love the smell overall. No wonder it's called Silver Mountain Water. I'm actually gonna check it out and see exactly what it says on the website. I haven't been able to see it on Scentbox again since I got it, so I guess it's out of stock on Scentbox, but I do am able to see it on Neiman Marcus, which is $415 a bottle for the 3.3 ounce Silver Mountain Water. It does say that the adventurous Silver Mountain Water evokes sparkling streams coursing through the snow-capped Swiss Alps, a bracing landscape in which Olivia Creed, a championship skier, finds relaxation and renewal. A bestseller since its launch, this modern scent captures the purity of the mountain's soft, milky sweet black currants mixed with green tea, the richness of bergamot and sandalwood. Its opaque white bottle hints at icy snowbanks topped with a glistening cap like a glacier silver stream. And this was actually a scent that has been introduced in 1995. So it is actually a very well-known scent and has been around for a long time. So I figured I'd go ahead and test it out for you all. But like I said, it has top notes of bergamot, mandarin, and neroli. And the middle notes are green tea, black currant bud. And the base notes are sandalwood and musk. Let's go ahead and get my take on it. Okay, up close, right on the nostrils, it is very, very soft, and you can definitely smell the bergamot and the sandalwood especially too. Overall, a fantastic scent, guys. I don't really know how else to do a scent review for you all, but I'll ensure you that it smells fantastic. My wife is currently taking a nap right now. She's resting up, but if she was around, she would also give you her review as she did in my last SCENTBIRD and Scentbox reviews. So I'm going to go ahead and call it a day. This is a fantastic scent for this video. I loved it. and can't wait to use it more often. Definitely one of my favorites so far, and I've got 6 or 7 cents so far, so I think this might be my 6 cents. 6 cents? Yeah. But anyway, guys, I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products for real life applications. Hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads, and as always, keep it real.